how to use Deliveroo Credit, Deliveroo Voucher. If you want to use your vouchers or credits which you have earned on Deliveroo, it is rather very simple to use them. First of all, you basically launch the Deliveroo app, and then you simply want to make sure that you're signed into your account. So open up Deliveroo and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. So go ahead and then also make sure to confirm your location. Once done, just go to your account from the top right hand side of the screen. If you haven't already logged in, make sure that you log in. Then go to the option Vouchers and Credits. Then if you're on Android, you can tap the plus icon. If you're on iPhone, tap on the add code option. Enter the code indicated on your gift card, then click on validate. This way you'll be able to use your Deliveroo vouchers or promo codes or credits. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.